Let's draw the head. Make a very big circle. Very big circle. Big one. That's so big. Alright. So draw the other ones, not as big as the head, but good. And another one. Yeah, it's fine. It's okay. So make more circle. We're going to make like 5 more. Yeah, the small one. Okay. So let's give this caterpillar very big 2 eyes. Big circle. Make big circle.
Big. If we make it big, his eyes are just better than big.
Okay. Then give it some lashes. About 3.
The mouth.
Lashes, eyelashes. Then color.
Mouth.
Put this. Let's finish with the eyes. Then we'll put the mouth.
I really wanted to do the mouth.
Then make a nose. Just make a circle, a little circle as a nose.
The color of it all about.
Not a circle as a nose. You can make it bigger. Make it shade it a little bit.
Just shade it like
yeah, that's okay. Then the mouth. Let's see what that is going to do. I'm going to do something like this. And watch again. I'm going to make it curve like this.
Like what I do sometimes.
Yeah, and then I put this at the edge.
Yeah.
I put it to just a line. Awesome, that's fine. So let's give it the antenna.
I like eating it.
Okay, and here you make it circular. Okay, that's awesome. Yeah, you can color it, you can shade it black once you make it. It's too big, but it's okay, it's fine. Your caterpillar is so big, so the antenna can also be big. Okay, here, so let's make the leg.
We need to put legs.
Yeah, put the legs here. Okay, and let's give it a leg. See how that is doing it?
Huh?
I shade at the bottom. Once you make the leg, you shade. Okay. Awesome. Awesome.
Hey,
alright, so the caterpillar is on a leaf.
My own is not funny.
Yeah, let's draw a little leaf. You know how to make a leaf?
I don't know how to make a tiny leaf.
See how we make it just where the caterpillar is standing. Not too wide. Just go move to the back.
Then
it's okay. It's okay there. So this one, bring this one a little. Oh, I've done it. Bring it close to the head there. That's okay. So you can just draw a tiny line on the leaf, just going all through to the back. To the back. Okay, yeah, it's okay. It's done.
I do that at here.
So draw off, make some line here. You know, leaves have lines at the middle. Make it thick.
Thick?
Yeah, make the lines thick enough.
Thick. We have to do it here too.
Yeah, you can do on the other side. Where you see space. It's okay.
Today we have to go to shopping.
Yeah, we'll go to the shopping later on.
Yeah,
so can we color?
Yes.
Alright, so let's color
Let's color here different colors.
Yeah, we can give them different colors.
Yeah, the circles.
Let's give the face a pink color. Let's color. Is it okay? Alright. This is fine. Is this pink or peach? It looks like peach color. Okay, it's pink. Go ahead, I'm almost done. Yeah, what is it?
Last day we was going to the shop. We bought something new.
Yeah, we bought a lot of things the other day.
Not the one we got last day.
I'm done coloring here.
The one we got last day, I got a black cupcake.
Is it black or brown?
It's black and it's brown. It's like black. It's black. It was black and brown.
Don't color the eyes. Avoid the eyes.
And
don't color the mouth. I'm going to give the mouth a red color.
Plastic.
I'm waiting for you. Is the tongue?
Not the tongue.
So red color. Then we can also use the red to color one of the circles. Just go ahead. Are you done? You can color this last one with red.
Yeah, because
okay.
It needs to be a color.
Yeah, one needs to be
red.
Then which other color do we use?
I want to make it a rainbow, then orange.
Is it orange now?
Yes, because I want to make it rainbow.
Yeah, I want to make it rainbow.
Yeah.
The orange color for that one?
Yeah, because after red is orange, and then after orange is yellow.
Yellow, okay. If you say so.
After orange is yellow, after red is orange.
Okay, I'm done. Are you done? So, you say yellow?
Yes.
This yellow?
This yellow.
Yellow? Okay. Let's go. I'm already halfway done.
Okay, wait.
Color fast.
After that one
You like yellow color?
Yes.
Wow.
After that one is after pink. After yellow is pink. No.
We use pink again?
But we have to use blue.
Blue?
Maybe this one is this one.
Okay, let's use blue.
This one don't. This one was tight to open.
Oh, it's also tight.
Yeah, that's why.
But you're so strong. You're able to pull it out.
But I hit you.
You hit my hands. Okay, it's fine. All right. So after
that one
is what?
Pink.
Pink, okay.
Yeah, because after pink is gray.
After pink, we use
gray.
Is it gray or green? Because he said rainbow color, we will not use green.
Well, but after that one is purple.
Purple, yeah.
Yeah.
Why did you mention purple? Okay, so let's use purple then.
We needed purple after blue.
How about we've colored it already? Another color. So take purple, or which one? Or green, which one are you using?
Give pepper.
Okay, we use purple. Awesome.
I'm gonna pretend blue is next to purple.
We are done.
Done. Look, rainbow color.
Yeah, so fine.
Red,
So we are going to color.
pink.
We're going to use the green for the leaf. You're not done yet. Let's color the leaf green. I'm going to outline it.
Me too.
And then I will color the rest.
I'm gonna outline it and then I'm gonna color that. Look!
Yeah, go ahead.
I colored it.
And color it. This is fun.
I'm coloring
Wow.
it quick.
I love coloring. I love coloring with you. Drawing with Summer.
I like coloring with you too.
Awesome. Wow.
Sometimes I can like it.
Good. You're having fun.
Yeah.
Okay. And after now, we'll go to the shopping. Is that correct?
Yes.
Yeah, let's go and get something.
Yeah, we're gonna get colors.
We're gonna get colors, get some food.
We need to get some. We need to get some watercolors because some of the watercolors are finished.
Yeah, we'll get more colors. Yep.
Watercolors.
If you say so.
We need some because some of our ones are not working. Daddy, back in last day, baby and Summer came downstairs. You did not let me color.
When you had a bad hand, then so you can color then.
Did you see me put it that's to like this?
Yeah, you were using sling then on your hand because you had.
Did you see me have it?
Oh, I don't know. When were you talking about? The last
No, the last day you was coloring with water paint yourself.
Oh, okay. Yeah, then you had a bad hand. That's why. That's what I
Last day
said.
when the baby came downstairs and mommy and they said I want to make my hair over there.
Yes, you had a bad hand then. All right, are you done?
No, yeah.
Yeah, this is so fun. Summer, your caterpillar is looking so gorgeous. Summer, what do you say to your friends?
Friends, I love you. Subscribe to our channel. See you in the next video. Bye bye.
All right, friends. See you in the next video. Bye. We love you all.